All right, so the first thing I want to show you is just how to get the image from the classroom into Pixlr, which is where you're going to go and add your color harmonies to your image. So you can see here there is an option for the Day of the Dead Skulls. There is also flowers. So whatever one it is that you want to color, you're just going to come into it, click on it, and then what you're going to have to do is go to these three dots, and you're going to open it in a new window. And then you have the option of deciding where you're going to save it. So I'm going to download it, and I have it then open up to its own little window, and then I can decide where I want to save it. I can save and it'll default to wherever I'm saving things, or you could do move to, and you could send it to a specific place. You could even put it directly on your desktop. So I am going to just go ahead here, and I will put it onto my desktop, and then I will go move. Okay, and that's going to make it easy for me to be able to find this for the next step. Okay, so that is that.